with any kind of power tool that you have. The one thing that you have to worry about is the batteries going bad. They're just going to wear out in time because of weather or charging. Well, we were given a set of batteries, as you can see, that are Ryobi style batteries. Now, they come at a point where they're packaged to where you don't have to worry about the shipping damaging them. But as you can see, they almost look like the originals. Now this one is an 18 volt lithium ion, and you can tell right here in the front that it does show that it's charged, but it also gives you the gauge to tell you how far it's charged. Now these work on Ryobi tools, and it is a lot less expensive to get these batteries than it is to get the ones that say Ryobi. And just like everything else, they work great. So if you are in need of batteries for your Ryobi, then get you some of these.